In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block emails on Outlook. If your inbox is getting cluttered with messages you don't want, blocking the sender is a quick way to keep those emails out of sight. I'll walk you through how to do this in classic Outlook using the message itself, and in the new Outlook by adjusting your settings. Along the way, I'll explain what each choice does so you know exactly what to expect. Let's start in classic Outlook. Begin by selecting an email from the sender you want to block. Make sure you've highlighted a message that clearly represents the sender you're done hearing from. Now right-click that message to open the context menu. Look for the junk option, then choose Block Sender. In some versions, you may see Block and then Block Sender. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm. Once you do this, Outlook adds that address to your block list and typically moves the message to junk or blocks it going forward. This is great for repeat offenders, though keep in mind that some marketers use multiple addresses, so you might need to block more than one over time. It's a good idea to peek at your junk email folder occasionally to ensure nothing you want was misclassified. Now let's switch to the new Outlook and handle it through Settings, which gives you precise control. Click the gear icon near the top right to open Settings. In the panel, navigate to Mail, then choose Junk Email or Junk Email Settings. You'll see a section called Block Senders and Domains. Here, click the option to add a block sender, or simply type into the box provided. You can enter the full email address if there's a specific person or mailbox you want to block. If you're receiving unwanted messages from many addresses at the same company, you can enter just the domain to block everything from that source. Use domain blocking carefully, since it will filter all senders from that domain. When you've entered what you want to block, click Save to apply your changes. From now on, Outlook will route messages from those addresses or domains to junk automatically. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.